Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites. WordPress and PHP meet requirements, and you have a recent backup. Once done, install and activate Yoast SEO from plugins, right arrow add new. Next, run the Yoast configuration wizard and set site type, organization versus person, and default search visibility. This establishes core settings that guide all SEO decisions. Make sure to connect to any site verification tools if prompted, because early verification speeds indexation and prevents rework later. Now you focus on content-level optimization. In search appearance, set title and meta templates to keep consistent branding. Once done, Yoast generates structured titles for all posts. For each page or post, add a focus keyphrase, craft a meta description, and follow Yoast's SEO and readability analysis to fix issues. Also configure XML sitemaps, breadcrumbs, and schema output to help search engines understand structure and rich results. These middle steps connect on-page work with site architecture. To finish, verify everything in Google Search Console. Submit the Yoast XML sitemap and use URL inspection to confirm indexing. Once done, use Yoast's bulk editor for quick title/meta updates and export settings if you move or clone the site. Make sure to review canonical tags and robots. TXT to avoid accidental deindexing. If problems appear, check robots. TXT rules and canonical tags first. These two issues explain most vanished pages, so correct them and re-request indexing to resolve quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.